Hello, the purpose of this video is to get you used to the navigation within the KEEP2 system, and so this video will be fairly quick. You're going to navigate to www.ksde.org, and then you're going to come to Popular Resources over on the right-hand side and click Authenticated Applications. And once there, I would highly recommend bookmarking this particular website, and here's why. You're going to be getting back to this on multiple occasions throughout your evaluation cycle, so you might as well have it handy. You'll also notice that my username and password are pre-populated. Even if you don't normally do this, it would be highly recommended that you would do this in this particular website, because if you forget your password, yes, you can click Forgot Password and go through that process, but the information for passwords is not held on site. So for example, if I forgot my password, I click Forgot Password, and then all of a sudden I forgot my security questions or my email was messed up, I would then have to contact the KEEP support through the state. It's an extra and not unnecessary step, in my opinion, if we could just save that. So once you click Log In, you'll accept the terms and conditions. And because I have a little bit of a different login than you, I have some additional things, additional apps, but you're going to simply click on KEEP2. Once here, there's a start page that isn't very helpful. In order to get to your evaluation, you're going to come over to these particular left-hand tabs and click My Evaluations. And again, I may have some things that you do not, but this button is the same. I click Evaluations, and as you can see, I now have two tabs. One says Current Evaluations, which is what we're going to be working with today. If I am interested, I can click Past Evaluations. As a building leader, am on an annual, and so you can see that every year I'm on evaluation. So if you're a first or second year educator, you probably will have some past evaluations at this point. If you are not, if you are a continuing educator, then you probably do not have any past evaluations at this point. You're going to click Select an Evaluation, and again, yours might say educator or teacher, but nonetheless, it's still the same. On the home screen here, there are a number of items that are important. You can navigate to any of these by clicking on the circle itself, or doing the same thing over on the left-hand side. They take you to the same spots with the corresponding names. So IPP rubric, for example, here is Instructional Practices rubric. The goal for this particular page is to close out all of your circles. So you can see that in my personal evaluation process, I have a ways to go. And of course, more so than that, the evaluation process is not just closing out circles, it's bettering our practice on behalf of students. With that said, for the practical piece, we do come back to the fact that most of these circles, or all of these circles rather, should be closed out by the end of the evaluation. You can scroll down and also click on any of these, which get you once again to the same spot. If you have any questions, you can obviously contact me or Tara, but at this point, this is the easy part of the navigation process.